Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to increase your Google Chrome tab volume using Volume Master. So basically what this is going to do is if you guys are watching a YouTube video and it's too low, it's going to actually bump up the volume for it. So first step is going to be to open up Google, and then inside of Google you guys want to type in Chrome extensions, and then go to the Chrome Web Store. And then inside of here, you guys want to type Volume Master. Alright, and this is going to be the extension that we're downloading today. And it's going to be the second extension right here. Left click it, and then hover over to the blue Add to Chrome button, and then left click that, and then hit Add Extension. And then what this is going to do is it's going to download the extension. So if you guys hover over to the puzzle piece right here, left click it, as you guys can see, it says Volume Master, and then you guys can pin it to the top of your extensions. And then to use this, you just need to left click on it, and it will be by default set to 100% volume. And yeah, you guys can now just switch it to however loud you guys want the volume to be, and this is going to be a per tab basis. So I can have my current tab that I'm in right now is going to be at 300% volume, but if I open up another tab, it's going to be at default 100. And yeah, and then you guys can change it to up to 600, and then you can actually decrease the volume to you guys want to, or you can just set it back to normal. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.